Hi guys, welcome to another video. I want to say first of all that I am really happy to be in Bali. Bali has been my dream place to go to, and apart from India that ruined everything, Bali is actually so good. So I bought this fruity black currant, super sweet. So what happened was like yesterday I stayed in a villa. That villa is pretty good. I realized, you see it on the other video, I realized I didn't like shoot everything. I didn't show you the room, I didn't show you it's just that I was obsessed with the other part. And then here it's really hot, so you would prefer to be somewhere that is cool, where there is water and all that. It had jacuzzi. It's heaven. But today we'll be checking into the hotel. I'll stay till the end of this trip. Yeah, and it's super hot. I've said that this is like Mombasa. Literally Mombasa feels like here, and I think that's the reason why I really love this place. So that villa wrote happy birthday Mawasi with a palm leaves, and then I gave me these roses that I'm moving with them everywhere. If you know me, you know that I love roses a lot. Not just roses, but I love flowers. Like at home, I left 2 bouquets of roses. I'm hoping by the time I'm going back they wouldn't have dried, because I didn't like place them in a vase. But I'm so happy, yo. I'm so happy.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like Stacy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Car 10 and 5, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Bitch is big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I swear that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcats, got off the line to make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Young turn bitch, when I pull up, that's when the party starts. In the booty club, standing on the couch, throwing beans. Better respect me, bitch, my people's in the cut with them things. Wifey got me icy, now my chain hit like loud bling. In New York, with my partners, we be jamming, I mean. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it